Good morning, everybody. So today we're working on a Ameritron Al811h. I thought I'd be working on the SB220, but the part was not here. It was actually the choke for this amp from Ameritron, not the capacitor. So I'll go over everything I need to do. So it needs new SO239 connectors. There's like no grip at all. There's a little bit this one, but like none on this one right there. That's the output one. More critical of the two to have a good connection on. So the plate choke is damaged. You can see a burn mark right there. So I'll be replacing the plate choke. The customer had the caps taped up underneath so they're not dangling during shipping. As the old pink resistors, I checked them, they're all within tolerance, so I'm going to go ahead and pull those out and replace them with better ones. So the only time I ever really see a cap fail is if the resistor opens, and these are the ones that usually open. So if you catch them before that happens, then you shouldn't have a problem with the caps, at least not for a long time. Okay, so I'm going to pull this assembly out, put the gas discharge tubes in. I'll remove the MOVs back there, metal oxide varistors. I'll get rid of these old grid loading resistors, ground the grids right to the metal, and do the bias modification, and check everything else out. It's getting a brand new set of Penta tubes. Check their variables, they're good. Okay, so I'm going to get to work, and I will be back. So stay tuned. See you soon. So I installed the gas discharge tubes, grounded the grids really well. One grid connection per tube socket. I also removed the metal oxide varistors. As you can see them right here. Added the wire for the bias modification. And here's the old plate choke. So I'm going to get back to work. See you soon. Okay, so I'm back with the completed Ameritron Al811h. I'm going to go over everything I did real quick. New plate choke. Plate blockers are in good condition, so I left them alone. New resistors. Bias modification. Took that this whole assembly out. You saw that in the previous video. MOVs removed. New SO239s. Here are the old ones, the old resistors, and the old plate choke. So if you need an amplifier repaired, please feel free to give me a call. I also clean the rotary switches with Deoxit Gold. The phone number is 203-892-4119. That's 203-892-4119, and my website is Amp Repair Guy. Please like, share, and subscribe. I have a lot of these amplifiers to work on. Thanks for watching. 73.